Thank you, Matt. Well, earlier I hinted at the extent of our new BEV architecture's versatility. And you know, both of our chairman, Akio Toyoda, and our president, Koji Sato, they're car guys. They totally get it when customers tell them how and why they love their cars. And there's one thing that I can tell you for sure, is that Akio-san believes that the car should never become a commodity. Now, this is true in Europe as it is anywhere. After all, this is the epicenter of motorsport. And we literally have hundreds of GR engineers here working to bring that exhilaration to the mobility era. So from the outset, we made absolutely sure that this new architecture had the potential to create a jaw-dropping sports car. A true car lover's BEV, the FT SE. What do you think? You've got to love that. As Matt mentioned earlier, every GR product has to stimulate all the senses. It can't just be fun in a straight line. It needs to make you smile in the corners too. And it should reward people who are prepared to hone their skills and take more control. Mastering quick manual shifting with smooth clutch action, it always felt good. So why shouldn't it be the case with an EV? How about downloading your favorite engine sound and driving dynamics? And you could truly create your own unique experiences, all the while emitting only smiles. And these new experiences are only possible from a software-defined vehicle. Now, our new BEV architecture is the gateway. And they say that good things come in threes. 3 great concepts and 3 key breakthroughs that make them possible. Number 1, component minimization for packaging optimization. Number 2, physical and digital synergy for the creation of content from motion. And thirdly, adaptable architecture for maximum portfolio versatility. The future of mobility has never been more exciting, not just because the cars are inspiring and fun to drive, but because Toyota will never forget where it came from and what its purpose is. Toyota always has been and always will be dedicated to mobility for all. Thank you very much.